Prepared tools: ribbon fusion splicer, optical fiber, thermal stripper, fiber holder, fiber stripper, scissors. Use the fiber stripper and scissors to remove the yellow buffer tube and Kevlar yarn. Place the 12 single fibers into the fiber holder. Ensure the sequence arrangement is consistent at both the left and right ends. Use the thermal stripper to strip the coating from the 12 single fibers. Use a ribbon cleaver to cleave the fibers. Place the fiber ribbon into the ribbon fusion splicer to splice the 12 single fibers. Splicing completed.